insidious as blind inception. What's reality with all these questions? Feels like I missed my alarm and slept in. Broken legs, but I chase perfection. These were
Alright, let's jump right into this look. I'm first going to be doing my brows, and I'm using my Air Woman Brown eyeliner pencil to do this. You can use whatever pencil you want to use. I'm just, kind of rushing through this because I have my brow tutorial already, foundation, all of that jazz. To clean up my brows, I'm using Black Opal's Toast. It's called Toast, and it's their flawless concealer. It's shaped like a lipstick, but my one done, so I start using it to do my brows, and I actually like how it looks when I use it to do my brows. So I have on my full foundation, I've contoured, and now I am just baking while I'm doing my eyes. So I'm using my MAC paint pot, and it is completely dried up, as you guys can see here. And I decided to use the MAC paint pot because I know I wanted to use the matte colors in this palette, and the MAC paint pot works really nice, and it dries almost immediately. The shades by Gal that I have, shades by Gal one that I have, it's kind of wet a little bit and then sort of dries down, but this one is really dry. Besides, it's almost, it's all dried up and stuff. So I'm going to be taking the Kylie bronze palette, I believe it's called, and this first color is called Jasper. Now it's looking kind of cream, but it is white. You see how white is coming up? It's looking kind of cream in the pan, but it's actually white. So this color is called Jasper, and I'm placing this all over my lid. I was going to place it just on the inner third, but I decided last minute just place it all over my lid. Now if you can look and see a little like puff or like little smoke coming off my eyes, that's actually the color, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. It is very I don't say ashy because ashy would mean that the consistency is off. It's not off, it's just very powdery. It's just very powdery. The matte colors are powdery. Next I'll be going in with Topaz. That's that color there, and I'm putting that color out on my crease, and just a little ways in, but not too much. Then I'm taking Citrine, and I thought Citrine was going to be a warmer orange, but it's not. It's like a cool orange on me, which I mean is expected because I mean Kylie created it and she's not as warm or as dark as I am. So I guess when you're creating palettes, you kind of go with things that you like, and for her maybe this is warm on her, but for me it wasn't at all. And that color Citrine, I placed it all in my crease along with Topaz. Just went on the outside, but Citrine went all over. Next I'm gonna just use a while ago Bronzite. The color is called Bronzite, and the Bronzite is going over where I placed Topaz. Now from time to time you'll be seeing me blowing on the palette. That's because I'm getting rid of the fallout that's on it. Next I'm going in with Obsidian, and Obsidian is going right in between Jasper, which is the white, and Bronzite, which is the darker color that I placed, and Obsidian is going more over towards Citrine, which is the orange. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of pushing it over. Next I'll be taking Tiger Eye, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone, but notice how dark it is. It deepened my brow bone and even gave like an orangey tannish look. I did that deliberately because I'll be using Jasper on my brow bone, and if I had gone in with Jasper just straight away, it would have been too white, it would have been too harsh. So I laid the base with Tiger Eye, then I went in with Jasper. Next I'm using my Anco pencil, and I just lined my eyes, and I'm going to be taking Citrine, and I'm going to be placing it right underneath where I placed my black eyeliner. I really wanted like a warm orange, but it wasn't coming out warm orange on me, so I just left it to let it do what it do, just a little orange. Next I'm just dusting the powder away, and this powder that I have on is this is Ben Nye. Yeah, this is my Ben Nye banana powder that I have on. Next I'll be going with my Shades by Gal contour palette, and I'll be using this to do all my low lighting, or what you guys call contouring. So everywhere I would usually contour, that's what I like. Low light, that's what I have low lighting. But look, I went too far down with the contour a while ago. So I'm taking the Ben Nye banana powder, what's left in it from doing my baking, I'm taking it to just put on that area to kind of clean up. Now this part is blurry, and I'm very sorry. I'm just using my Anco pencil, and I'm using it all over my lips, and this is going to serve as my base because I'm going to be doing some metallic lips. So again, this is the Anco pencil. Then I'll be going in with Hematite, and that color is what I'll be using to kind of dust all over my lips to give that metallic effect. So today I just fold my lips in, and I just went over my lips just to kind of do any cleanup. So I wanted the black to be on the outside and then hematite just in the middle, but I got a little carried away because I absolutely loved how it looked all over the lips. So this color is hematite. Sorry, I've been saying hematite. It's hematite, and I'm just placing this all over my lid with a big fluffy brush. I prefer a fluffy brush because it spreads the color out more rather than a stiffer brush that would more place the color. Then I'm taking my MAC Extra Dimension Double Definition Skin Finish, and I'm putting that on the high parts of my cheek, and this is what I'll be using for my glow. I love how it looks. I can never get tired of this glow, ever. It's like my holy grail. I love it. I always go back to this. If I can't find nothing, I'm grabbing this one. Alright, so next I'll be taking that and I'll be going everywhere that I put my highlight. I'll be going down my nose, my cheeks. You know how I do, but you know how I do. Alright, so this black is from the Nikkie Tutorials Too Faced collaboration, but you can grab any black liquid liner that you want to use, and I'm just drawing 3 dots. Now this for me, as a Christian, it means Father, Son and Holy Ghost, but it's not anything tribal, it's not anything like that. I just felt like the look needed something else, and I decided to just add those 3 dots. And I also decided to add a wing, my lower dramatic wing. Yeah, I decided to add that as well. Guys, this is the look, and I completely appreciate your support. Your support is A1. We're up to 175,000 subscribers. You guys are completely, I love you guys so much. Thanks for the support. Don't forget about my makeup classes happening this December. You can email me at classes@rochester.com. Bye guys.
It feels like a tear in my